at first, obviously Biden's going to have a lot more control. Some stuff that he actually wants to do might actually get pushed through. So this is good for solar. This is good for pot. The banks are rallying considerably because the TLT is getting smacked here this morning. So certain sectors are rallying off this, and it's good for stimulus. It's obviously, not as good if you're playing these lockdown trades with the stimulus. So you can see a little bit of a reopening trade coming here. But I mean, there is so much rotation here this morning. People are piling out of their tech stocks and into all of the reopening trades because of the stimulus. I'm not sure if that's a great idea.
What I don't understand is, so pot stocks are up big today, right? Pot and solar.
Pot and solar are
and tech is down. And I guess what I'm reading this morning is that they're up or down, right? Pot's up, solar's up, tech is down because of the results last night, which to me seems silly because, first of all, tech regulation is a bipartisan issue, right? Everybody is mad at Facebook, Amazon, Apple, and Google, right? Democrats and Republicans are both angry at them. Okay. Marijuana legalization is a bipartisan issue. It is legal in 39 states in some form, all right? Either medicinal or recreational or both, right? So these are bipartisan issues. Whoever, Democrats controlling the majority of the Senate does not change that fact, right? So I don't understand why we're going to start, and same thing with solar too, maybe solar a little bit less, but I don't understand why we're going to buy cannabis stocks up this morning on this.
Are you trying to make sense out of things, Spencer?
Yeah, you're not supposed to make sense out of things.
I mean, you're on the wrong show. I mean, you're in the wrong world.
I guess
this show we just go with the flow, but you know what though, he's right. And are these? I think what Spencer's asking, are these gains, are these initial headline moves? Because this is what you're seeing is the headline move. The algos rip solar, rip pot. Sell tech, buy IWM. I mean, that's what the algos are obviously, doing, and that's what you're seeing here this morning. Is it sustainable? I think is the question you're asking. Like, does this trend continue? I don't know if anybody has the answer to that question, though.
No. With these things, and I'm not going to go through all the individual pot, solar, whatever issues, but a lot of times just check out those, the pre-market highs, or if they did it after hours, see where that is, see if that lines up with something on the daily or the weeklies, and see if you get the follow through on it. If not, I mean, a stock like First Solar that got whooped yesterday because of Goldman, and now it's roaring right back. So there's different dynamics. I mean, this is right back up at 99. I mean, there's a lot of people that got tanned yesterday, and they're gonna be looking back. So look at each stock, look at the pre-market high, and then see if that coincides with a daily high, and whatever dynamics too, because that was really a bad day for First Solar, whereas some of these other ones then had. I'd noticed tan was still up even with this down. So different dynamics.